So hello guys, welcome again in my channel. Today is so special unboxing album cause this is my first, oh my god, I can't believe it, the first unboxing album with signed album. All member my favorite group, yeah, Gfriend Labyrinth album with all members signed. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I get it finally. Okay, this is Gfriend Labyrinth Crossroad Fair. This is my favorite version from the album. Okay, with special all the members sign. Oh my god, I'm so blessed. And this is the front and the side. Okay, and back, the back. All the tracklist is my favorite. Yes, from the album, and we so happy because Gfriend make a comeback with Song of the Siren album. Oh my god, I okay. Hopefully I can grab this album too. But okay, let's unboxing here, and this is okay. We so to broke the seal. Okay, let me okay. I hated to to do it, but we must do. Oh my god, why? Show mode. Okay. Yes, success, and open the album. And from start, it's so. Oh my god, not too easy. I scared. Oh. Wait. Okay. Take it easy. Oh my god. Okay, finally open. Oh my god, I hate this packaging actually. The beautiful album is so beautiful, but I hate the packaging and flip style. Better so you make or make it like, but you make a box style or book style, but okay lah, this from Gfriend, cause from Gfriend. Okay, let me check out the photo card for the first. Okay, everything is out, and this photo book and the case. Okay, yes, okay. Photo book, we see the photo book. I love the concept there as a Gryffindor, Harry Potter concept. I love it so much, so beautiful. Okay, let's see inside. Oh my god, it's railway is my favorite. I love train and I love Gfriend. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my god, so on my bias. Wow, it's amazing. This is a random version, and I get my favorite version. It's so lucky for my wow. Okay, you hearing? I think sorry. Oh, hearing so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh no, it's so cute. Where do you run? Remember this run. Wow, you choose. If you watch behind photoshoot, behind the scene photoshoot, you will be loud or lol because they are so cheerful and didn't doing little dangerous photo cause is this is the real station, and as a real fan, I happy too. They are photoshoot in the rail station. And that is, oh, OMG, so cute. OMG. Oh my god, so beautiful. Crossroad. Here we are. It's so good. Like, I love the song of from me. It's so special. It's so I hear when I go to the bed. It's so relaxing, and thanks to and the photo group. It's over. So we're going to. Oh wait, this is I think it's storybook. Yeah, same all the version. Storybook. Different with the theory group is amazing, but it's a little creepy in here. Okay, see, I get it. It's wait. This is a film photo. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my, brilliant concept and idea. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, next I think it's a pop card. Yeah, this is pop. Oh no. The CD. Sorry, I forget to show you the CD. Oh no, this oh wait, where is the CD? Oh yes, oh this is a pop card and this is the CD. Let's show the CD first. Was like a season greeting packaging. Okay, this is the CD album. Okay, and soon pop up. Oh, I get. Oh my god, one tool set, and I got Juju, one vocalist. Wow, Juju is so beautiful. Okay, let's see the photo card. All my I was full all remember except MG. I full MG right now. Is the first photo card. Oh my god, I get Gfriend. Oh my god. Wow, it's so beautiful. And once again, wait. And one again. Oh my god. I can take a breath. So on my bias. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god. So it's done my unboxing, and I was shocked and happy because oh my god, double festival. Thank you for watching. Hope do you enjoy, and don't forget subscribe and like. Thank you for your support. 안녕하세요.